Hi guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing here. Welcome back to the channel. We're back at our local close spot again, Pier 1. It's a rainy day, as you guys can see. There's rain that way, there's rain that way. It makes no sense me going anywhere far from home today because it's raining. It's actually raining right now while I'm talking. So, all said and done, guys, I put on my gears, came out. Said, alright, I'm gonna get a few casts in this morning. Get close. The sun is not out yet, as you guys see. It's pretty dark. Hopefully with this chartreuse lure I can get in and get a few good casts in and get a hook up this morning, guys, on a barra or maybe a snapper, yellowtail, or a jack or something that's in the water lurking someplace close by. Oh, I just got chased by a long jaw. I see you, buddy. So long jaw is chasing, guys. There they go, two of them. So that means the lure is getting attention, guys, and that's what we want. Let me go down a little bit further and see if I can get something off these rocks up here. I know these guys been working down here lately trying to set these geddies back because of the storm that damaged down here, which was very bad. The owners are definitely fixing it back up, trying to keep that erosion from happening. So they've been doing a lot of work down here, spending a lot of money, guys, and believe you me, this stuff is not cheap. So that's why I know in Sandy Bay it's raining. Good thing I never head down that side this morning, guys. I'd have been hit. All right, let's go up line, hook for that barra before it starts raining hard. We're gonna head way down there. Stop at the car, get a cup of coffee real quick, and just move. I got coffee in the car, guys. Brought it with me this morning. I lost my tumbler a while back and I never bought one. They're so goddamn expensive in Jamaica, like $6,000 for a damn tumbler. Like, wow, man, a good one. So it sucks being without one that I can't walk with my coffee in my tackle bag. We'll skip all of this, guys, and we're gonna walk down further because the rain is coming harder, and I definitely don't want to get caught in the middle of the rain, even though my phone is water. A sip of coffee. Get my coffee real quick, guys. Go juice. Not yet, just reach. It's raining.
A little bit.
Hopefully.
No, it don't have to rain so much, man.
Hopefully. There's a barra I've been hunting that's down there. So I've been hunting him for a while, bro. He's hanging out. He's not going nowhere. That's his home.
Meat oil on raw chicken skin.
Nah, bro. This is a different kind of fishing. Me keep on tell you. Man said meat oil on chicken skins, guys. Get that. I think I want to name that the title of this video. Meat oil on chicken skin. So what I'm basically doing is just skipping all the bullshit and just walking around and heading around to the other side over there. There's this barracuda I've been hunting for a while. That's over there, guys. So all said and done. Meat oil on chicken skin. That was a good one. Yeah, it's raining out, guys. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Thank you guys for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. And know that we push out all weather, anytime, anywhere, any place. Water don't bother us, guys. I skipped all of that, came down, because sometimes it makes sense, sometimes it don't. Let's head up here, guys. I made sure I put my leg protection on this morning, guys. Ultra light underclothes, just in case. Alright, we're going to start these rocks from here. You gotta be extremely careful in these shoes. These shoes are not good for rock climbing. Not the best in the world, but they'll protect your feet from some sea urchin. Bird's eye view. You got somebody out there dropping line. Gotta select your steps carefully, guys. Like I said, it's not easy. Oh my God, God. That barrow is back here someplace. I know, unless Brian or Hartman caught him, or somebody else, Norman, or one of them guys have hooked him. I hooked him and he got away from me last time back here, and he's been back here since. He's a smart little bugger. The journeys that we go on, guys. Here, guys, a lot of debris coming down from the gutters. Nothing. Get moving down the line, guys. Like I said, I came at him. He's not there this morning. Not a very good morning either, guys. So we're gonna work our way back. Nothing. Just move, guys. Stick and move, stick and move. That's how it is with Jamaican shore fishing. Stick and move, guys. Stick and go, guys. Hey guys, I send this top this lure out. Got hitched up on the hook. That's why it's swimming like that, coming back in. Not giving. There it goes. Started swimming better now. Just acting erratic, like a sick fish. So the other fish will believe it's a sick fish, or a fish in trouble, and go at it. But I can't believe nothing has actually been passing or just on a cruise and seen it and just hit it. Maybe because of the rain? I don't know. If any of you guys have caught fish on a lure in the rain, please drop a comment below and let me know. I've never done it before inside the rain or weather like this. Like I said, guys, trying out something this morning. Not good weather on us this morning. I was going to stay in bed. This thing is making all kinds of erratic swimming out there. Not a damn thing this morning yet, guys. So, Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Thank you for joining the channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch add some more epic lure fishing adventures, guys. We do this for real, guys. Yeah, rock fishing. This is serious. It's a lot of exercise, guys. If you're not into a lot of walking or climbing, well, this has a lot of it. You gotta use every muscle in your legs. Yeah, guys, so watching the Mike Tyson fight last night, guys, and it was an epic fight, guys. I tell you something, Mike, 58 years old, I commend him. That was an awesome challenge and he completed it. Awesome challenge at his age. And the greatest boxer of all times. It was really epic last night. Yeah, that fight. So, you sure guys get a watch of it. Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing, guys. We're hunting, guys. Searching. Anything that might want to get a little exciting. No chases, nothing. This water's so dead this morning. Yeah, I mean, I had long jaw chases, guys. But that's about it. That's earlier on. I'm already breaking a sweat already. Whew, nothing. This sucks this morning. This really sucks this morning, guys. But I'll tell you something. I'm not gonna quit this morning. I'm gonna kill something for sure. Searching, can't find nothing this morning. Search down there for this barracuda I've been looking for. Couple of weeks now. He's been haunting me. I caught him and he got away. And I went back.
I don't know what lures to use here. 'Cause
It
the ones that have a
depends on what you're fishing for. I'm looking for barra, big jack, snooks, tarpon, snapper. I'm using a high visibility. High visibility is a chartreuse like this.
yeah.
If you're gonna lure fish, feel the light gear. That's what you gotta lure fish with. You can't lure fish with something too heavy because you're gonna be casting 100 times.
Yeah.
So you want something that you can it's balanced, that you
Flash
can
out.
whip and flash
Yeah.
out 100 times and not worry about being
Yeah.
fatigued. You understand? When you use this now, this is a way
Set.
heavier rod.
Yeah.
Your shoulders, your wrist,
I
everything's
just
gonna
got
give you
this
trouble.
because my missus loves it too, so,
So,
we just use this. But I have another
Shakespeare
one at home.
micro series,
Yeah.
7-footer, light. Can't lose.
Still not bad.
Yeah, Daiwa is
gonna
it's
buy
more
the-
saltwater resistant.
Yeah.
So
I'm
you
gonna
can
buy
drop.
the pen reel
Yeah,
in about a week.
I have a couple of pen reels myself,
Yeah. The
but
pen reels are good. My mate, literally just linked up with you.
oh yeah,
Yeah, from Birmingham.
fishing. So I was lure fishing, as you guys seen before. Wasn't working out. So me and my man here,
Xavier.
Xavier, and Xavier was out here fishing, and I just came over real quick, guys, to chit chat with him, and we just got talking fishing talk instead of me going off fishing someplace else. But as you guys see, I told you guys before, the weather's up. Not much I can do today with the lure fishing. I might go out drop line fishing. If the weather kicks up and I get a little bit of wind, guys, I'm gonna go permit hunting. But stay tuned, guys. I haven't picked up anything all morning. unfortunately. But we'll try later, see what's up if this weather ease up. But take a look. Weather's pretty bad on us today, guys. Not a good day. Debris all over the place. Xavier's just drop line fishing and he's trying to pick something up. And we just tied up a new rig for him and seeing what he can pick up, guys. Hopefully he can grab onto a snapper real quick and we don't got to stay out here getting wet. Nice snapper. Let's call it snapper day today, guys. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. And I kind of took a break because I did them rocks. So I'm going to get a few more casts in right here off these rocks and see if I can pick anything up, guys. I don't like giving up so easy. See, I like getting that bird's eye view. You getting hit? You're good. Yeah, you're getting hit. Fish on. Tighten up. I got a friggin' knot here. You got a snag? You lost your weight. That's how I tied it, so you can get your gear, your hooks back. You understand? Yeah. So you add a line with another weight, now you get your hooks back. You don't lose so much hooks. Yeah, guys, so just trying hanging out with Xavier a bit and see if you can pick anything up on this side. I'm running a couple of lures out here, testing a few lures out. See what we can pick up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Hey, these lures swim amazing, bro. The disturbance that it causes in the water. Yeah. Oh, I just seen something out there. Tied up again? You set back? Huh? Picks?
No bites.
You'll get bites. Listen to me, once they know that the food is there, they'll come. That's bait fishing. That's a whole other different ball game than what I'm doing. Well, my thing, color matter, light matter, how you move the lure. Everything has a part to play in it. Don't move it. Don't move it. You'll know what. Hold it. Hold in your hand. Hold in your hand. Keep the tension. Keep the tension. Keep the tension. Just keep the tension. Don't lose the tension. Just hold in your hand. Keep the tension. You'll know when something grabs, bro. It's not a pick. It's a grab and run. You see, as soon as you feel like grab and run, you set. It's gonna be like a quick grab and take off. The picking is the baby fish just nibbling. Oh yeah, you got fish on. You see the size hook that they grab onto now? Yep. All right. Now you see how big their mouth is. Yeah. Eh? Oh yeah, snappers are very aggressive. Snappers are very aggressive fish. The one where me and Mr. White was fishing, you didn't see that rod just lift up and just take off, yeah? And the drag was set loose. Yeah. So you could imagine the power that he hit that with. Oh, it's a nice size. Yeah. Yeah, guys, scanning this water to see what I can pick up here. Don't look like there's much on this side, but like I said, lure fishing not today. Huh? Yeah. Oh shit. Making all kinds of noise under there, cause this thing makes a noise, you know. Listen. So the noise that I'm making on today, you're not getting no attention. There's nothing there. Not a damn thing.
And the hits not getting heavy, but they're small.
Yeah. I got these one with an impeller on them. I'm getting chased by long jaws. I'm getting chased by long jaws. Huh? That's what happens here, bro. You gotta go to different spots, bro. You know you can go over there too, right? Over that side, but I wouldn't on them rocks, but you have to walk all the way down and go down. Yeah, it's not a really nice.
The smell is horrible.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, bro. Not yet. Oh, the one I posted last night? I'm just like messing around. I know I'm not probably not gonna hold anything here. Probably, but there's times where I do. But I'm just messing around.
Well, you're losing the right because watching your page, you are the one who got to stop. You was door.
Yeah.
Come here already, come catch barracuda.
Oh yeah, catch some nice barras here. I've caught some really big barracudas here. There's a big one down there I've been hunting for weeks already.
Oh yeah?
Right there, at that tree.
Yeah.
He's someplace off there. It's about 5 pounds. I've been hunting him for about 3 weeks already. I went after him this morning, but he wasn't there. But that's his home. He's not leaving.
It's not leaving.
No, that's how they are. They stay in their home. Yeah, they're like dogs, bro. They're not leaving, bro. They piss all over the place. That's them. So that it's like a situation. That's how I know where they're at more times, because I know that's their home. So I go to their house and just look for them, you know. Yeah. So I'm trying a new lure that I have. Let me show you. Let me get down here, guys.
I'm a big fan, man. Up to this man, I get to go watch every day. Because I'm turning on the TV first to listen on YouTube, this Jamaican. Sure fishing.
So I'm trying a new lure this morning.
Yeah.
This one has some propellers on it.
Yeah.
These are very expensive lures.
Yeah. When they pull
So
it,
it spins. It spins. Yeah. It makes this noise in the water. So when it comes, it's running. That hook is behind it, so they're gonna chase it and grab it.
Grab it.
You understand? So it looks like a fish. So it makes a noise in it. So you can feel the weight on it, so you can know the type weight that I'm sending out there.
That's even weight to see. I
That's
need
half
no sinker.
ounce. No
like
sinker. No.
Yeah.
So when I send it, I'm getting out. I can side cast. Where's this line at? Oh, your line's not in there? Alright. I can side cast. 1 foot off the tip of the reel.
Yeah.
I'm gone out.
Whoa! But wait.
So-
Something jump a while ago, right?
Yes, man. Yes, man. It's just see how.
Yeah.
You see a bigger jump cross over there.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, see them chasing it? See them chasing it? They see it. They hear it.
Yeah.
So it swims right in. You hear it now? When it comes in, it makes a little noise.
Something there, right?
Come on, them out there, man. Like I said, I've been casting out there for a while. And you just get comfortable because of the lightness of the rod. You have to remember, you know.
I always know about the bucket one day, but I never know when it was.
The lightness of the rod is important, bro. Yeah, I mean, like you said, you was gonna see me. I mean, I'm a Montego and I'm a person that's in Mobile regular.
Yeah? I'm sure you don't remember me, no, but I worked for you before, no?
Have you?
Remember when you worked at the farm up there?
Oh yeah.
Weed farm.
Yeah.
Jaguar?
Okay, Jagba.
Yeah.
Up Orange.
Orange.
Up a Kirk,
Yes.
up a Dovecut.
Yes.
Yes.
I work for you once, man. I always.
Okay, Jagba still my link same way. Me and Jagba link. He hasn't gone fishing with me in a while though.
Yeah.
Jagba always link up. But yeah man, I just feel a lightness, bro. That's the lightness that watch your finger on the hook here.
That's alright. Whoa, it's well light.
Yeah, so the lightness is what you're looking for when you lure fish, so you don't get fatigued. You don't get tired. So you can walk all over the place and work. You know?
So you don't be right here, so that go. Yeah.
Yeah, so I have a lock swivel to change off.
Like,
So when I get tired, I just lead. If the lead bend up too much, I just pull one out the bag and I just switch it.
switch it.
Because I like a lead straight. I don't like any bends or kinks in it because it makes the lure swim funny.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. So you don't want the lure swimming funny on you. You know what I mean? But I was gonna go. I'm watching that weather, man. That's why I haven't gone nowhere yet. I'm thinking about hitting back there behind Freeport in a minute, if anything, and touch up down there and see what's going on. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing. So we got a few subscribers here that's actually watching the channels, guys. So I was just hanging out with them, showing them a few pointers, and Xavier, and they got the young man over there, and still dropping some lures, guys. Seeing what's up, seeing if I can actually grab something. Oh, Jamaican shore fishing, we never give up. Lure is swimming lovely, guys, but I'm not getting any hits. And this morning I've been throwing out long jaw chases, but apparently the fish is not here, guys. So I'm gonna take it in and head home. And get me something to eat and try back later when the weather eases up. I think we're having some bad weather this morning. Xavier's using bait, didn't catch anything. Here guys, so huh? Yeah, eased off. I'm gonna go get me something to eat though. I'm gonna go grab me something to eat and call it a morning, but I ain't picked nothing up. I'm wondering if I should go all the way back there this morning. I don't feel like it.
You know how to get out there.
Yeah. Thinking about it, but anyways, Xavier, pick up yourself.
No worries. I'll give you a call in the morning.
Yes,
let you know
do
what's
that
going
and
on.
let me know what's going on if you're up to tomorrow. All right. Tá, man, later, yeah.
Alright, though.
Yeah, guys, so. Yeah, Jamaican shore fishing, so. That's what's up. Linking up with subscribers. Exciting, epic morning. Cool, always linking up with you guys. I love that. Linking up with you guys is always a plus. And it's always a good vibes for me to see you guys out here, guys. And thank you guys for your support. And your continuous support to Jamaican shore fishing. And thank you guys, even though I got skunked today. And it wasn't really skunk, guys. It was just, I kind of switched up and started hanging out with Xavier and the other two subscribers that arrived on the scene. So I'm gonna head in now and grab me something to eat, push out later on in the morning and do what I'm doing. I was trying to see if I see the young man to tell him I'm gone. But thank you guys, Jamaican shore fishing. I appreciate each and every one of you. And stay tuned for more epic adventures with Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. One love.